the fucking game. It's a demo. It's called the Skin Stapler. Skin Stapler. So let's check it out. Wait, hold up. Can it? It looked cool. I was checking out through the Steam demos and stuff like that. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully. Like hello? Okay. Let's get into this shit. I feel like my model's looking. Whoa. Yo, hold up a minute. My game's lagging, brother. My model's lagging. Let a man free.
Journal log.
Oh wow.
23rd, 19.
Batman?
Carrion City.
Carrion City.
Night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
I didn't know I was playing as Batman.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
I'm actually just fucking Batman.
We got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails.
Uh-huh.
Streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper. Tuesday.
The Skin Stapler. Please report sighting. Police sketch.
Who am I?
I'm Batman.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater.
Fuck, bro.
This city and its
Dick. I'm Detective Dick.
Waiter, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Hell yeah, I am.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
It's a little quiet.
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
All right. I will.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
The voice acting's just phenomenal. I need to set the game as the game that's getting captured. Wait, hold up. What's up, Giwu? Dick Slater. Call me, what's good, gang? For now, call me Professor Dick Slater. Carrion City Police Department. Why is it upside down? My name is not Chinny right now. I'm Detective Dick.
Good old Carrion City PD. It's all smell of stale.
Okay.
The chief wants this time.
I'm Detective Dick. You ain't ready for this. Shift to sprint. CCPD. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Luna.
Hello, Luna.
I see this.
Hello, fine shit.
Be sitting in the front desk.
Why do you sound like that?
Again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
Lois? Is that you?
Yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
His office.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
See you around. Okay, let me in this bitch. Damn, my model lagging like crazy though. Yo, can I cap this shit at 60? There's like no need for it to go above like 120. Yo, I capped it at 160. It didn't fucking work. Oh, I had to press apply. Yeah, see? My model's all fine and dandy now. Okay, did you tap me in or not, bro? Where the fuck are we going? Oh, in here. He's everywhere, bro. The Skin Stapler. Join the force. Damn. Can we like? Why is our police station so dirty?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. I mean, Detective Slater.
Hello, I'm Detective Dick.
You hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir.
I'm
But I
fucking
was just-
Batman, bro.
If you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I can really help out there.
Yeah, man.
The streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here.
At the station. Don't worry.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Hey,
I
man.
don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid.
I'm Detective Dick
Look,
Slater.
Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
Don't worry about me. My name is Detective Dick. And I'm here to save the day.
You're still chasing Ghost Slater.
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to
To
retirement.
retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh,
I was surprised.
I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat.
I'm actually in Gotham. What the fuck?
Share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Is it? Hello, sir.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat.
Why you sound like that, Roxy, eh?
Not even a little.
Shame. I got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
And I don't got a thing for you, buddy.
Lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later.
Ah.
If you
You're a police officer?
put in a good word for me, yeah?
you arrest people? Damn, my model lagging mad crazy. What the fuck is this? Oh.
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Damn. Didn't have to do him like that. Why is my model fucking like delayed? Hello? Hello? It's like 1 second after. Like, what the fuck? It's not tracking my fucking face properly, bro. What is it doing? The entire VOD's gonna be off sync. Damn.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Well, I've been defending the city for a while.
You should have hired a watch.
What?
He's a kid. He looks too clean for this city.
That's
I'm
Detective
Batman.
Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor.
Nice to
Read
meet
every
you.
report you ever wrote. Your work on the full moon Gooner case back in.
Yeah.
The full moon or
City was
gooner.
edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the
How did that even happen?
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Yep. And he's named the Skin Stapler. And I'm resetting my tracking right now. Because I don't know what's wrong with it.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
You're not chasing him
Excuse
alone.
Knox is your new partner.
I don't need a partner. I'm fucking Batman.
What?
You gotta be kidding me.
O'Brien.
You gotta be
No, I-
tickling my fucking ass cheeks.
I can't be wasting. O'Brien?
What? Fatty? You're fat as shit, O'Brien.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
You absolute big back, O'Brien. What is going on?
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
They don't understand. They don't understand us, Detective Dick. I'm the voice inside your mind.
The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this.
Oh shit.
He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
And I don't see you do shit here, buddy. Objective updated. Alright. Let's get the fuck out of here, I guess. I feel like my sensitivity is very high. There we go. Let's get the fuck out of here, I guess. But listen to me, kid. You go on my terms. I feel like if we're a detective, we shouldn't really be going in a cop car, but you know, it's fine.
Detective Slater.
What is it, Robbie?
One, you don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2, if things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
If something goes bad, isn't he dead?
Good.
What if he's the killer, huh? How about that? Oh my gosh. The quick fix.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Ah, bet.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city
in the dust.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh my god, wait, I'm playing as a different person. I just realized I forgot to do something that someone asked me to do. Wait, when was that? Oh, it was only like 3 days ago. I'll just watch that later. All right, let's go. Wait, I'm not Detective Dick anymore. How did he sound? All right, time to start my job. Objective updated. Let's go down here. We got a phone call. How to make a juicy, long, quick fix wiener. And following items to the hot dog plate in these steps. Add toasted bun, cooked wiener, mustard, ketchup, relish, and the works hot dog container. Hello? Who's calling me?
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This
Okay,
is
okay.
Hepsi. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late.
Fucking
I got
crazy
stuck in
Dave.
traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh shit, man. What the fuck?
Are you calling me on the shitter again? All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Alright, time to go to the back, huh? The back's probably this way, huh? Oh, don't scare me. Bad things happen in the back. Oh! No!
This place ever actually fix anything?
What are you talking about?
Jeez, you scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude. Oh,
I love jokes.
especially the ones with the killer punchline.
Fuck off, skin stapler.
You need something? My.
You want a wiener?
I do have an appetite. Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes. The best meals are worth waiting for.
Uh-huh. Bye-bye, skin stapler. You sound like a very pleasant man, actually. Listen, man. I'm trying to copy my...
Another night with another creep.
Another creep.
Hate this city.
I hate this city. Okay, I think I got the voice. Not really. I think he just sounds like a normal person. I don't know how to do it. That's... What the skill check? Why is he pounding his meat like that? Ew. Fuck. That's not how you use a meat grinder, bro. Stop. Ew. Ew, stop that shit. Wait, your foot is in the fucking meat, bro. Oh my god. Toasted bun. Untoasted hot dog bun. How do I toast my buns? Hey, you should let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. How do I toast my hot dog bun? I need an uncooked wiener. I get it. I get it. Oh, that's how I toast it. Oh, that's okay. That's how you do it. Sorry, sir. I'm not very good at my job. It's actually my like first time being here. I apologize, sir. Okay, is that gonna be done? I don't have a finished hot dog. What do you want on it? You fucking bitch. Okay, the wiener ready. I need ketchup and mustard. Ketchup and musty. I need relish. You want relish? I need the works. Here you go. Nice juicy long one for you, buddy. Hey! 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 Hey, you come back here! Hey! Hey, you get back here! You didn't even pay me! Wait, bitch? You just slobbed. What the fuck? What? Okay. You absolutely devoured that shit. Who are you? Coffee, the quick fix. No shirt, no shoes. I thought I was gonna play Detective Dick. But no, I'm playing Mick Jackass here. I heard you have the biggest wieners around. Let me get one. Yeah, we do. We do. We do. I don't know who told you that, but we definitely do. I don't have a finished hot dog. Why are you crossing your arms? Staff only office. All these wieners are actually expired? So, you know, I don't know really what we're supposed to do with them. Shut up! Is that a tung hot dog? The fuck is that? Ketchup musty. The works. Put it in a box. Here you go, ma'am. Don't do that. You done? Why is everybody in the city a fatty? Why you guys eating my hot dogs like that? I'm serving quality and you slobber on it like a fucking pig. God damn it. Fuck you want? Oh, my back hurts. Like every time I move it, it like cracks a little. Oh no. Oh no. Hi, Mr. Skin Stapler. You want a dog? I'll get you a dog.
Hello.
Hello.
Proprietor of this fine establishment.
Yes, I am.
Crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Well.
I do love a nice piece of flesh. But
What?
I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Yeah, what do you want, bro?
Seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Why do you need staples this late at night?
He needs to staple some paper.
You could say I'm working on a little art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah.
Perfect.
Listen. You're not gonna kill the person that funds you, right, buddy? You didn't want a wiener. It was just kind of disappointing. You know? Why are you looking at me? Ma'am, get out of here, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a weirdo. I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Wiener. There you go. Stop making that awful noise. You fucking weirdos. Yo, Skin Stapler, kill her! Kill her! Kill her, Skin Stapler! Kill her! Kill her! Or not, I guess. Yeah, is that guy gonna buy the staplers or what? Is he gonna get them or like? Shut up, I know. Boom. Cooking my ear. Why is my Wog One Broski Wooga? What's up, guys? How's it going? Is that little? Give me a meaty, juicy one. I got you. I got you. How you guys doing? What you guys up to? Like, is there really a need? I'm trying to build this fuck-ass team. Fire. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, man? Why is he gonna? It's gonna take me weeks for real. Yeah, you spent all your resources on the fucking thing on your other team, man. Someone else gonna order a hot dog? I did, but it's okay. You got her before the banner ended. Hello, ma'am.
Hey, Hexy.
I've done late. Who are you?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
Hey, shrimp queen. Yes, girl. Hey there, girly.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling.
Who is speaking to me? The fuck?
Know what's in them.
Hey, Hexy.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Gutter's
You're
End.
both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
I'm being a detective, but right now
One
I'm
day
an
we'll get out of
employee.
this dump.
Hey Blair, look behind you. There happens to be a really pale man staring at you from behind there.
How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Thanks, Hexy.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Hey man, you gonna buy some fucking staplers or what, dog? Hey, bud. Are we out of staplers? I like Tang Tang. Tang Tang's cool. She might be a 5-star high key when she comes out. I'm not sure though. Who knows? Who knows?
Shit, dude!
Fuck.
What the hell is your problem?
I think I want Rossi.
It's
Fuck.
You're all out of staples.
Oh, am I out of
Sick of your
staples?
shit. I think you better leave. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer
It's no longer here.
I could see this establishment.
I want the
doesn't employ
dragon
the
lady.
brightest. But
I forgot her
anyway,
name. Her name's hard.
out
Shuang
my
something.
way, my tattooed friend.
I already have an electric team. I might as well roll for an electric carry. That's not
Thanks for
obvious.
shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet.
Oh, come on, man. You clogged my fucking toilet, blood? Oh, fuck, steak. Okay, get the I don't think I've seen her yet. Oh. I don't know how far you are into Wing Ling. She's the consort or whatever it's thing.
Great.
She's the main
Now I need to
thingy.
fix the
You literally go on a date with her, bruh. Right at the start.
Great.
Ew.
That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed.
Oh, the shitter? Dude, he didn't clog that shitter. The shitter's pitch black. Well, I'll see if I like her. Oh, don't stab me in the back while I'm fucking oh my god, there's a skill check. Oh my god, there's a skill check. What the fuck? What in the Dead by Daylight? What? Was that not on it? Was that not on it? My bad. I can't see anytime you fucking do it. Whoops. Why are you sticking your head closer to the shitter, bro? Is that a Ben or is that the guy behind you? I'm not sure.
What the? What is that sound?
Koa needs to stop opening and closing games. Oh my god, he got killed by shit! He's fucking, he died. Gutter's End Bowling Alley. Hello, Koha. Oh, I guess you were listening to me shit talk you. Oh, I'm playing Blair.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to Lucas.
Hey, you good there, buddy? Oh, nah. Get him away. I need... When did you shit talk me? Oh, I actually never did, actually. Hey, bud. I think he likes you. That guy? You think he likes me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he think he likes me.
Perfect opportunity.
Lucas!
Oh. I think Chaos should get this haircut. Stop fucking opening and closing games, Koa. Piss me off.
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
Please get a mohawk.
God,
Please.
who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Oh.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go
Cup of
pass out somewhere
nudies?
else.
I better not see that strange man. Where do I eat this shit? Where do I eat this shit? Carnival Terror. Carnival. I think that says carnival, you fucking idiot. Is level 70 here the highest? Yeah, and then you can artifice it. Teehee. Can I fucking sit down? Yeah, you can artifice your level 70 gear. Yeah. Where do I eat this shit, bro? Where's my objective? Where's my objective, bro? Where the fuck do I eat this shit? Oh, do we have like a hot water dispenser? Oh, we have a microwave.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas.
Okay, let me go tell Lucas he can go. Or is he already gone? Damn, he already left? Oh, no mind. This is something you would wear, Chaos.
Alright, Lucas. You can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair.
Oh yeah, to make it, it's kind of painful. The big, it's really big.
Doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
I have 2K, so I never have to worry about it ever again.
You couldn't even polish the balls?
I was gonna blue for
It's
net.
like the easiest thing to do here.
I don't need to make it anymore.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
What?
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Dude, you got three spikes coming out of your head. Okay, where the fuck is the ball jammed at? What the hell? I don't care. Sarcasm, Riz? That's called harassment. That's called harassment, bro. Wait, no, same thing. How the fuck did he get in here? I don't need to go behind the counter yet. I don't know how this shit works. Oh, there's a ball stuck in here, isn't there? Let me fix this. Oh my god! They just got me doing skill checks. Fuck. Oh, just smacking the shit out of it made it work. That thing's a fucking cannon.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Just like everything. Smacking it works.
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
I want to eat my nudies, duh. What the fuck do you want, buddy?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello.
Well, hello.
Lovely little establishment this is. With an adorable
Holy
little
fuck, bro.
creature
Look at
running-
your forehead.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Where's the money?
Well, it's $5 a game. per
Reminds me of
lane.
you? No. His forehead's a little too big.
Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a
Let me ask
question.
you.
Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take
You can't die off.
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
For real.
No need to be a bully, darling.
Bullied.
I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Give me the money. Are you gonna give me the money? These motherfuckers aren't paying for shit. Don't look at me like that, you freak.
Total creep.
I'll clean these dirty balls. Where do I find the dirty balls? Oh, I put them in this. Oh, I'm holding down A. Oh, I see. What, it's gonna make me hold down D next? Oh, it's A. Hey, did you just get closer? On my life, you just got close. Maybe I got closer. I got closer. He didn't get closer, I got closer. Okay, there we go. Sir? I don't see enough bowling going on there. I think you should go back to bowling. You know? Oh, are all the characters in this game blind, bro? Like, I can clearly see him. Never trust a motherfucker that smiles too much.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Hey there, buddy. Can you fucking... Where do I clean the stinky shoes? I stay behind the counter. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
You are a freak, ma'am. Who's the baddie with the horns and tail? With the one you talking about? Does she have pink hair or black hair? What the fuck? She's just... Pink? That's Mifune. That's not who I'm talking about. But she's cool too. I'm debating her or the other lady. I just cleaned these shoes. Did I not? Is there more stinky shoes? Did I not spray the shoes good enough? Oh, I didn't do this one. That's why. I like her. Yeah. I like Tang Tang and her. They're when they're on screen, they're fun. Oh.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
That's what I'm saying,
Whatever.
Blair.
Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
He's gonna come out the toilet. Even though it's out of order. Check the closet! Check the lockers! Check the lockers!
I'll eat this back at the register.
Don't be down the hall. Don't be down. Oh my god! Oh shit! Yeah, I thought he was about to be down the hall, not back the fucking door. But just stab this one. Yeah. I don't. Oh shit! Oh, what is? What the? F
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair.
What the fuck?
Any second. What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp? Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up. What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
What? Oh.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp.
I see you're suffering with side effects.
Oh, is this him without his face on?
Hallucinations and paralysis.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much.
Oh my god, I'm about to get cannonballed.
It'll all be over soon.
But wait,
What do you mean?
he's gonna kill you, obviously. Oh.
Acquire that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I'm afraid it's the end of the line for you.
For you.
Please.
Please don't. Oh no, I'm not gonna do it. Oh no. Detective Dick! Get him, Detective Dick! Oh, I'm just dead. This is Kaiki kind of horrifying. Oh my god. Oh my god! Holy shit! Damn, that's a lot of staplers. That's a lot of staples, man. It's only the devil? Oh my god, it's her face. Oh my god. Detective Dick. Hey. It's about the guy he killed with shit. I think he just didn't like